this video, you're going to learn how to say hello in Austrian German. You will get to know formal and informal ways to say hello and how to use it during the times of the day. In general, there are two ways to say hello in a rather formal way. The first one is Grüß Gott. The second one is Guten Tag. But above all, Grüß Gott is the typical way to say hello in Austria. All in all, we can find several words to say hello in more informal ways. For example, Hallo, Grüß dich, Servus oder Servus. It depends on the region or on the mood to pick one of these words. Now let's take a look at the times of the day. In the morning we can say Guten Morgen oder Guten Morgen. During the evening or the night we can say Guten Abend, Guten Abend, Gute Nacht or Gute Nacht. Now it's time for the Q&A with Mike. He wants to know, how do you say good morning in Austrian German? And the answer is Guten Morgen. The next thing Mike wants to know is, what is the typical way of saying hello in Austria? And the correct answer is Grüß Gott. Thanks a lot for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and see you next time. Alles Gute.